Hello students, good morning. Welcome to your social studies class. So today we are going to continue the chapter from economics, globalization and the Indian economy. Page number 465. Growing competition and uncertain employment. Globalization and the pressure of competition have charged the lives of workers. Faced with growing competition, most employers these days prefer flexible employment or to employ workers flexibly. This means that workers' jobs are no longer secure. ग्लोबलाइजेशन जो स्टार्ट हुआ है या ग्लोबलाइजेशन का जो प्रोसेस है उसमें टफ़ कंपटीशन फेस करना पड़ता है और जिसकी वजह से अनसर्टेन एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी होता है, उनकी जॉब सिक्योर नहीं रहती हैं. The employ workers only on a temporary basis. Workers get very low wages and forced to do overtime to manage their expenses. Even in the organized sector, workers no longer get the protection and benefit that they enjoyed earlier. So globalization की वजह से, competition की वजह से and the unsurety of employment, they don't enjoy the benefits and protection that were enjoyed earlier. The struggle for a fair globalization. People with education, skill and health have made the best use of new opportunities due to globalization. To make it fair, it should ensure that the benefit of globalization are shared better and government policies must protect interest of all people in the country. It can support some procedure to improve their performance till the time they became strong enough to compete. If necessary, the government can use trade and investment barriers. Government can negotiate with the WTO for fairer rules. जो फेयर ग्लोबलाइजेशन है, जो जिन सिटीजन्स के पास या जिन पीपल के पास अच्छी एजुकेशन है, स्किल्ड है एंड नॉलेज है, उनको ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलनी चाहिए इन द ग्लोबलाइजेशन, जिसकी वजह से जो फेयर ग्लोबलाइजेशन है, जो एक्चुअल में जो डिज़र्व करते हैं उन्हें ही चांस मिलना चाहिए. So now we have completed the chapter. And next we will do question and answer. You have to do question number 1. What is investment? Name the companies which make foreign investment. Write any two benefits which a local company expects from joint producer of multinational company. Question number 2. How can local companies benefited by collaborating with multinational companies? Explain with examples. Next question, question number 11. What are special economic zones? Question mark. Why have they been set up? Question number 18. Information and communication technology ICT has played a major role in spreading out products and services across countries. Support this statement. Okay. Next question. Question number 24. Differentiate between MNC and national companies. National company और multinational company में आपको differentiate करना है. Next question is, this is long question. Describe the impact of globalization on Indian economy with example. Okay, ये आपके long questions हैं. Next question, question number 9. Globalization and greater competition among producers has been advantageous to consumer. Support the statement with example. ये आपका long answer है. Then question number 11. Globalization is two-phased. Explain the statement in context of our country. Okay. आपका इकोनॉमिक्स का चैप्टर ये कंप्लीट हो गया. दैट इज़ 24th चैप्टर, ग्लोबलाइजेशन एंड द इंडियन इकॉनमी. नेक्स्ट क्लास में आपका जो हिस्ट्री का चैप्टर 3rd, द मेकिंग ऑफ अ ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड, जो हमने स्टार्ट कर दिया था उसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे. इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर बाकी रह गए थे, इसलिए आज इसको करवाया गया है. Do these question and answer in your copies. These are NCERT questions.